Hello everyone, let's solve this question. Express the following vectors in the Cartesian system. Okay, you've been given a vector over here and you have to convert it in the Cartesian system. Okay, this is also same as previous ones. Okay, so let's do it. This I'll say ax, ay, az is equal to, then acha, this is given in spherical coordinates. Okay, ar, a theta and a phi. Okay, so what shall I write over here? Sine theta cos phi. Okay, then over here what shall I write? Sine theta sine phi. Okay, and over here I'll write cos theta. Okay, and over here it'll be cos theta cos phi, cos theta sine phi. This one will be minus sine theta, and here I'll write minus sine phi. This one will be cos phi and this one will be 0. Okay, and suppose I have to write a r value, I must write it in terms of Cartesian terms. Okay, so 6, it's written 6r square. So in place of r square I'll write x square plus y square plus z square, and in place of I can do one thing. In place of r sine theta cos theta, I can write x. I can write x. Yeah, let me not write it like this. Let's do one thing. In place of r sine theta cos phi, I'll write x, and in place of r, I'll write root over of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then next, it's written for r cos theta sine phi. So r cos theta is z. Okay, r cos theta is z. Okay, anyways, 4z. Then in place of sine phi again, or one thing I can do, okay, anyways, in place of sine phi, you can write, what do you know, that y is equal to r sine theta sine phi. So if I have to write in place of sine phi, what shall I write? Y divided by r sine theta, and this term r sine theta is nothing but your rho, which is x square plus y square. So it will be basically y by root over of x square plus this thing y square. Okay, so I can write it over here like this, x square plus y square. Okay, this is clear. Then next term is, okay, let me first delete this. Okay, then next term is r cube. It's written r cube. So what shall I write where? X square plus y square plus z square whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so now multiplying everything, I'll take out ax. Okay, 6x root over of x square plus y square plus z square into sine theta cos phi. Okay, now sine theta cos phi also I must write it in terms of this Cartesian thing. I must write it. Okay, okay, or I could have done one thing. In place of writing this one in Cartesian form, I could have written it in this our spherical coordinates only and then converted. Okay, anyways, this is also okay. Let me do it otherwise like that. Oh, okay. Then what shall I write over here? Let me erase this. Erase this. Then in place of okay, then let me write it 6r square sine theta cos phi. Instead of writing all that Cartesian terms, let me write it what was written only from the beginning, into sine theta cos phi. All right, then plus I'll write 4r cos theta sine phi, this term, into cos theta cos phi, and then what shall I write? Minus sine phi into r cube. Okay, r cube. Okay, then now I think it'll be better if I write it in terms of Cartesian form. Okay, so basically it became 6r square sine square theta cos square phi. Okay, And what else? Plus this became 4r cos square theta. Okay, it was 4r. Okay, 4r cos square theta sine square. No, it's sine phi cos phi. Okay, sine phi cos phi. Okay, then minus r cube sine phi. And what else? Anything in common? Sine theta over cos square. Okay, no, I don't think anything is in common. Let me write it directly now. This is 6. This r sine theta cos phi will be what? Will be x. So I can write 6x square over here directly. And here what will I get? I'll get in place of this 4 r cos theta, in place of r cos theta I can write z. So I'll write z. Then there'll be another cos theta sine phi. Okay, cos phi, I'll substitute that ahead. Okay, anyways, minus r cube sine phi. Okay, anyways, then what shall I write for this? Z will be as it is. In place of all this, what shall I write? In place of cos theta, I can write, see, r cos theta is equal to z. So in place of cos theta, I can write z by r. Okay, in place of cos theta, I'll write z by r. Okay, z by r. In place of sine phi, I can write, what can I write? I'll write, it will be y by rho. Okay, and cos phi will be x by rho minus this r cube. Okay, r sine phi is nothing. Okay, anyways, in place of this, I'll write directly x square plus this whole to the power 3 by 2. And in place of sine phi, I'll write y by rho, and rho is what? X square plus y square. Okay, this is too big. Okay, and this is 6x square plus over here writing all the Cartesian things, xy, then divided by, in place of r, I'll write x square plus y square plus z square, root over of this. And in place of rho square, I'll write x square plus y square. Okay, and over here I got again root over, it's not root over, okay, it's, okay, will be x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power 3 by 2 into y divided by root over of x square plus y square. All right, okay, this is what I got, ax. Oh, it's so big. Anyways, then over here I must take out ay. What will be my ay? One sec. Okay, this will be this terms I must use, sine theta sine phi, sine theta sine phi whole into, this is what, it's 6r square sine theta cos phi, 6r square sine theta cos phi. All right, then next plus, this is cos theta sine phi, cos theta sine phi whole into, it will be what, 4r cos theta sine phi, 4r cos theta sine phi, and then it will be cos phi into whatever, plus cos phi into, it was, I guess, r cube. Okay, it was r cube. Okay, it was r cube. So now again, what did I get? 6r square sine square theta cos phi sine phi plus 4r cos square theta sine square phi plus r cube cos phi. Now substituting this, okay, in place of r sine theta, I can write, what is r sine theta? It's rho. Okay, and into cos phi will be x. Okay, and then again another r sine theta sine phi will be y. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then next is 4r. It's written 4r cos theta. In place of just one, I'll write z. Then cos theta into sine square phi. Okay, then plus this is r cube. Okay, r cube cos phi is nothing like this, only I'll write it. Then 6xy plus 4z. In place of cos theta, again I can write, what can I write? Z by r. In place of this sine phi, I can write y by rho, and this is square, so I'll square it. And what else? In place of r cube, this is straightforward, write it like this, 3 by 2, and in place of cos phi you can write x by rho. Okay, now substituting this 4 z square y square divided by, this will be root over of x square plus y square plus z square whole into x square plus y square. Okay, plus this is x into x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by x square plus y square. Okay, this is what I got. Oh god, it's so complex. Okay, anyways, then az will be, let's see, you guys also do with me. Okay, this is cos theta into, it'll be cos theta into what was written, 6r square sine theta cos phi. 6r square sine theta cos phi. Okay, then what was next? This is minus sine theta into 4r cos theta. Okay, minus sine, it's sine phi into minus sine phi. This is actually phi. Okay, this will be phi. And then okay, this is correct now. Sine phi, I've written it correctly, I hope. This is, oh sorry, I just okay, this one will be, this was correct what was written. Okay, this was theta only. Then next it's minus sine theta. Okay, so this will be minus sine theta whole into 4r cos theta sine phi. Okay, so if I expand it, what will happen? 6r square sine theta cos square phi minus, okay, I got something like this. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, I made this mistake here also. This one is actually theta. This is theta. Correct it. Okay, write theta over here. Then this one will be cos phi into cos theta, r square sine theta cos phi cos theta. Okay, now this is correct. Minus 4r cos theta sine theta sine phi. Okay, is there anything common over here? Sine theta sine phi. Okay, sine theta cos okay, no, nothing is common, forget it. Then over here, in place of r sine theta, it's what, rho. So r sine theta cos phi is what, x, and r cos theta is z. Okay, then over here for r cos theta is written, that I'll write z. Then sine theta sine phi is written. In place of sine theta, that's rho, sine theta into sine phi, I can write y divided by, r. Yes, I can write y divided by r. Okay, then it will be 4yz divided by root over of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, you guys also do with me and check out whether you're getting all this or not. Okay, Then if you write it in vector form, then you'll get something like this: ax cap plus ay cap plus az cap, and then you can substitute whatever values you got. And do tell me whether you're getting this or something else. Tell me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.